Hello everyone, this is Gitika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School, and today we'll start question number 8 of exercise 8.2 of chapter 8, comparing quantities, of class 7. So see, in question number 8 what is saying here, out of 15,000 voters in a constituency, 60% voted, and find the percentage of the voters who didn't vote. Can you now find how many actually didn't vote? So what we'll do here, see what is given to us first. See, they are saying there are total 15,000 voters. Fine. Out of 15,000 voters, only 60% have voted. And what we have to find out? We have to find out what is the percentage of people who didn't vote on that time, and we have to find out how many are actually who didn't vote. Fine. I mean to say how many people are there who didn't vote. So let's start this sum. As we know that total voters are 15,000, it is given. Then the percentage of voted candidates. How many candidates are there who voted? 60% have voted now. So it is 60%. Then percentage of not voted candidates who didn't vote on that time. So what we'll do here? We will subtract this one 60 from 100. It means 100% minus 60%, that is 40%. It means to say here there are 40% voters who didn't vote on that time. Fine. So what is saying next? Actual candidates who didn't vote, we have to find out. So what we do there? As we know that this one 40% people are those who didn't vote out of 15,000, as there are total 15,000 people. So what we'll do? We'll find out how much 40% is there of 15,000. So 40% of 15,000, 40% means 40 by 100 of mean multiply by 15,000, and we'll solve it, and we got here 6,000. That means it shows that there are 6,000 candidates who didn't vote on that time. Now see next question number 9. So what is saying here? Meeta saved rupees 4,000 from her salary. Fine. If this is 10% of her salary, then what is her total salary? I mean to say here that we don't know about her what is the total salary of Meeta, but we know that she has spent out of that much salary only 4,000 rupees she has saved on that time. Others she has spent, and this is only 10% of her salary. Then what is saying here? Find out what is our total salary. So what we'll do here? We will assume here first that let Meeta's salary be rupees X. Fine. If Meeta's salary be X, then now as we know that she saved it 10%, and that is 4,000 of her salary. So 10% of her salary, that is we know that is 4,000. So 10% of X, because her total salary we have assumed as X here. So 10% of X is 4,000, and 10% means 10 by 100 multiply X equals to 4,000, and on solving we got here that 40,000. It means to say here now Meeta's salary is in actual 40,000, from which she has saved 4,000 rupees. Fine. So in this way you can simplify this sum. Then see next question number 10. What is saying here? A local cricket team played 20 matches in one session. Fine. In one season they played 20 matches, and it won 25% of them. I mean to say here they have won 25% of 20 matches. And how many matches did they win? In actual we have to find out. Fine. And we know that in according to percentage they won only 25% of 20 matches, but we want to know in actual how many matches they won. So let's start this sum now. The number of matches played by cricket team B, we know that is 20 here. Then the percentage of one matches, it is 25%, it is given to us. Then the total matches won by cricket team, it is 25% of 20, because we know that already the matches total are 20, and we want to find out how many matches they won on that time. So 25% of 20, that means to see here it shows that at the end on solving that at the end they won only 5 matches. Fine. Others matches out of 20 they won only 5 matches. So in this way you can simplify this sum.